Hi friends, this video shows how to do factory reset and fix all performance issues. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Then go to system, go to about, set factory reset, then set factory reset. Here you should read this message on the left side. This will restore your device to default settings and erase. That is very important. This operation will erase or delete all data, accounts, files and downloaded apps from the device. If you are okay with that, you can go ahead and set factory reset, then select erase everything. When you select this erase everything, at that moment it will start the factory reset process. After this factory reset, you have to set up the device. You have to pair the remote, then you have to connect to a Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot, then enter Gmail ID and password and complete the setup. After setup, you get a fresh device. So this way we can do factory reset and get fresh device and fix all performance issues. You can try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.